state institution has not had audited accounts for so many years, you need to also look at what transpired before. Because, you know, the auditors are the Auditor General that we have. The state institutions are not audited by private companies. So if you are TOR, you cannot go and get KPMG or Deloitte to come and audit you. All state-owned enterprises are audited by the state, the audit service in Ghana. Now, the audit service, when there's a backlog, needs to clear the backlog before they move forward. So what he is saying that they came to meet maybe 2019 or 2020, not audited to
2019.
2019. Yes. The question is, what was it before that was brought to 2019? So the audit service will have to take it from where it was. Because from what I know, during the time of Ewadako, there was no audit ever done. So the audit service started from when Ewadako left it. So you realize that it is, like I said, it's not the management of TOR that audit itself. It's the Ghana Audit Service that audits TOR. You understand? So when they come in, and let's say it has not been done from 2014, they can't go and do 2018, 2021, and 20. They have to start from when it was not done, from 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, before they do 2020. So what you saw in 2019 done that you came to meet is because the audit service had been working on previous years that had not been done under Ewadako. And as at when you, no, that's the fact. You see, some of these things, my brother, you sit on the board. These are questions that
was just.
You're just looking for it.
My brother, how can you say what that was just 2 years? How can it be 2 years? How do you know it was 2 years? How do you know it was 2 years?
Don't we have that?
What do you have? What record do you have?
I used to go to TOR.
So you go to TOR, you walk in there.
I said 2 years.
But to be fair,
it was in default for 2 years.
Let's
unaudited for 2 years is quite significant.
Yes, but the point is that it was not. There was no audited account. My brother, please.
I mean, this is verifiable.
Exactly. Listen,
a board member is talking and you are here saying what? A board member is talking and you are here challenging. What are you talking about?
Normally,
do you have the document that you have?
Normally, Auditor General will look at, give me a minute, I'll come back, just clearly. So normally, Auditor General will look at a 5-year period.
That's what so when we came, he's even talking about, we just decided to start from 5. It became 6 because we added 2025.
Okay. Have you done any audit since you came?
Yes.
Since how many years have you done?
Just 1 year.
Thank you. You've been there. Hold on. But you went there. No, the 2019. Have you done any? Hold on. You guys have been there for almost 2 years now.
Yes.
Have you done
1 year?
At the 2019. Okay. The 2019 year you came to me. Have you done any?
That's what we've done from 2019 to 2024.
So you are saying that
we'll finish with that. That's why we submitted.
You are saying that the audit service have come in to do 2019 to 2024.
Yes.
All is done.
All is done.
When was that done?
I said it was submitted.
No, when was that done?
Just
2019 to 2020.
I said we even submitted the information to last month. Last month.
What?
That report.
No, not report. The audited accounts. You see, bro, let's not confuse.
It was done in 2025.
Please.
I don't know what.
I will verify it.
Yeah, please.
Next time we're here, I'll bring the entire report. Don't worry, I'll verify it.
So you're standing on business and you're saying that there was a backlog already.
There was
no. He's only conjecturing on this route.
Oh, my brother, we came on national television. Yes. You are saying that you came to me 2019.
Yes.
I'm saying, and you're saying that you've done the 5 years. You've done 6 years.
6 years.
To date.
Yes, to date.
I will verify it.
Please do.
I'll bring all the records.
But
my explanation I'm giving is that when NPP came in 2017, there hadn't been audited accounts during the Ewadako time.
True.
For the whole period.
Yes, there was no audited accounts.
That's not true. You're only way to smear somebody. That's not true.
But to be fair, what was from 2015 to 2017? No?
Ewadako took TOR from Ewadako was at TOR for the JM1.
JM1 was
JM1 2012 to
2012 to 2016.
Yes, Ewadako is JM1.
But I see.
I'm challenging because at that time I was a member of NPP. I was a member of the communication team. Kojo was not there.
He's trying to find a way.
Please, can I speak?
Yes.
What discuss all this?
MFR.
It's really an issue.
I don't know what he talks about. He was a member of NPP.
I said that time.
Please, when I speak, let me speak, please. Let me speak.
What's the point?
Everybody in Ghana, when it comes to TOR, from Isaac Osei to combat knows that if anybody knows what goes on in TOR, it's me.
Oh, please. Stop. Let me finish. Stop it.
I worked a board member. But he wasn't there. He's only been there for 1 year.
What about your lecture? Your lecture talk like this.
Hopeson, can I speak, please? Stop that thing you do. Stop it.
I said don't arrogate that
because I have used.
You see,
I have used. No, hold on.
It's not about
he's saying that he was an NPP member. Doesn't make him an industry person. I, Kojo Poku, am an industry person.
Where we discuss issues.
And Hopeson,
can I say what?
Can I speak?
But
no. Once you refer to me that I will respond to you.
Kojo, if we do that, we can't have a conversation. Don't have lectures, political.
Exactly.
But the point
I am a teacher by profession. When it comes to education issues, doesn't he speak about education issues?
You will speak.
What are you talking about?
So can you
but I think that if he says that he was
no, but the point I am making is that
it's a gendarme and he's being killed.
Bro, we are not here to do propaganda. I think Hopeson.
So stop the propaganda.
Let me speak.
I told you the way.
Stop the propaganda.
Hopeson, let me speak. Look, hear me first.
How can you say that the Hope you got was not edited?
Can I speak?
The argument
Now speak.
this dollar thing.
Please,
Now,
please. Yeah,
okay. When I, Kojo Poku, sit on national television and make a statement, I don't do propaganda. People like you can always infer and say certain things, but Hopeson, please.
That is.
When Hopeson, let me speak.
That is a great.
Please, let me speak.
You should withdraw that.
Let me regulate.
What are you talking about?
Withdraw what?
Hopeson.
When you sit on television,
I don't
you don't
do
do propaganda.
No, I don't.
But I do.
Yes.
What are you talking about?
Because
you were here telling me that you bought dollar for 12 point something. 12 point something. And I proved to you that it was wrong.
This morning to try and be disruptive.
You should stop that.
But the point is this. We are talking about documents.
Yes.
We are talking about historical facts.
Yes.
Which can be verified.
Yes.
Exactly.
So if the production team can do this work for us,
I mean, for
then it will be.
You don't come here and say,
They can. But you see, what I would like to do, to not take too much time, we are here next week.
Yes.
No,
We are here,
hopefully.
we are here next week. This station is here next week.
No, but I'd be surprised
I
that the
will
board
bring
member for
a board member is talking about you.
I am telling you that the board member for TOR, who is telling me, Kojo Poku, that I am wrong in saying that during the Wadako time, audited accounts were not done. Let's step it down.
You are wrong.
No, but he says two.
Then
No, he is saying, hold on. He is saying that
We
they
came
came to meet
and
2019. And I'm trying to tell him that when we came in 2017, the Wadako period, the audited accounts,
so where did you
that because
where did you leave it?
That is wrong.
Where did you do it?
Hang on, I'm doing the question.
Look, please,
So the
Honorable Isaac
Wadako period.
Osei, we can put Honorable Isaac Osei. I can actually give his number to production.
So
Let's get him on the
the
phone.
period, you mean from what period to what period?
Exactly.
The entire period.
The entire 4 years of a Wadako audited accounts were not done. It's not true. Please, I can give your number. I can give your number to your production.
No, let them verify.
Let's put Honorable Isaac Osei on the phone.
Then put a word Akutu on the floor. On the,
You understand?
can do the same.
Because you see,
That is also there to
let me explain.
I'm talking
something.
about him.
When he said 2019,
Yes.
I didn't argue with him because I know for a fact that the work that was done to bring the audited accounts to 2019 was because there was previous backlogs that has to be done.
You are speaking for Auditor General.
Oh,
You are speaking for them.
But you're speaking for the Auditor General.
I'm speaking for TOR.
But
What we have
hold on.
done.
But brother, you are speaking for TOR today.
Yes.
I was speaking for TOR from 2017 to 2024.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
No, bring the. I'm just saying.
So I'm saying that let's
mine
step it
has
down.
been backed. Mine has been backed by CIFA. Bring your facts.
Let's step it down.
Mine has been
All
backed by
I'm saying
CIFA.
is that we are here next week. I'm not teaching, doctor. Isn't it fair? Let's step this conversation down.
We are not stepping it down.
I will bring my brother.
We are not stepping it down.
Anything good now.
We are not stepping it down.
This first part of the clash now, second part, I hopes in time. Now hopes in because what's the first part no? Na clash na mabufuo no e boil it up. E the hopes start so kasa na Kojo Poku bam. E ho na Kojo Poku be catch hopes say wo kra wo airport camp ye sake o. Hey! Hopes mini ya kum boom. Masa kube na si utri so. Wo de kwhwe.
So this kind of you don't know. I know you should stop it. Next time when you bring that in, we will not allow you to do that. Do we have any expert in this country? If we have experts in this country, will you get to where we are today? The experts who work with TOR and TOR was dead.
There are some words I didn't want to use, so let me quit.
TOR was dead. Meanwhile, we had the expert. So they should give us a break.
Yeah, but
Number two.
Sorry.
No. Doc, hold on.
TOR was not dead. TOR had some investment.
No. Under MPP, it was dead.
For experts.
Under MPP, it was dead.
Experts.
You see, that's the problem I have with you.
See, there are experts.
Speak for yourself. Why are you speaking
I
for
said
MPP?
under MPP,
Why was it dead? Because it's not true.
But let's have
You see,
a
I don't want to interject when he speaks.
But let's have a reality.
How was it dead?
When did I leave MPP? When did I leave MPP? Tell me.
You belong to
Because you were sacked from airport. You were sacked from the airport. Because you were sacked from the airport. That's why you left MPP.
So why is the sack letter?
I don't know. You tell me.
But
Because
you
were only upset because you were sacked from the airport. That's why you're upset.
I left.
That's why you left the airport.
Listen. I left airport January 20. You see, today we'll kill every gendarme.
Okay, so you expect to ask why you were sacked from the airport.
Yeah.
Were you at the airport or were you sacked from the airport?
Please. You've made a statement. Allow me. 1st January 2019, I left airport.
Were you
The reason was that, listen, you sit here and say people don't read. You should also read. Agyarko is alive. He was the foreign minister. And he said that the VIP, you want to use that one for the diplomats. So politicians should go to the new airport, the Terminal 3, and take the new VIP there. So Kandapa is alive. We met and he said that we are going to commercialize that place. So national security is moving to that point. At a point, one big man at the Jubilee House, when he heard that we were going to commercialize it, then quickly he went for that deal, that national security should stay out so that he would take it. And he took it. That's the reason why I left airport. I was at the National Security Brugate till October 2023. Get it inside your coconut head. And stop that kind of you were sacked. I am saying that I am throwing a challenge. Production can call Kandapa in, Asumani in, so that they speak to this issue.
Okay.
Me.
Doc, as a teacher, is it okay to allow the coconut head bit?
They should be. We should get it inside the coconut. They should get it inside.
It's national television. He exposed himself.
I said he should get it inside. Are you getting it?
The point I'm trying
because if you come and sit here as an expert, telling the whole world that I was sacked whilst I was not sacked, I am telling you, I am saying that I throw a challenge. Kandapa is alive. Agyarko is alive. Kweku Annan, the National Security Coordinator, is alive. Call them on the program and ask whether I was sacked.
Now you have
My appointment was terminated October 2023 when I made open declaration for Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. It's a fact.
So
your
now
appointment as what? Huh? Your appointment as
No,
with the national security.
No, won't
you were national security.
Won't do this.
Oh yeah.
Won't do this. No, won't discuss.
I am saying that I left airport January 2019, and I was on radio, television, defending MPP all the time.
Director, I made the point.
Wait.
The point that
I'm saying that
you were with the political party before.
This Dandam
and you were discussing policies that happened at a particular political party which you belong to. I think you have the credit to speak about it.
Yes.
So it's fine. You don't have to.
I have detailed information because I was on the national communication platform of MPP, and we plan. When we are going for communication strategic meetings, I am always part of it. If Akufo Addo select 10 people from the communication, I was always part of it. You can check it. So don't come and then arrogate you and say that you are not MPP, this and that and that. Stop it. When I was communicating for MPP, you were nowhere to be found. Please, stop that.
Director.
I sat on radio and television from March 2008. Continuous, no break.
Director, for me, I think that our number one responsibility on this platform is to educate our audience.
That's right.
So you have the the liberty to, as it were, respond to any allegations made against you.
That's right.
But I would appeal to you. Sometimes some of the words, you tone it down a bit.
Doc, when someone tell you something that did not happen, and you are not careful, you say more than what I said.
No, but I understand. But
are you getting it?
At a point in time,
they've been saying this all the time. That I was surprised, I was not sad.
You have explained it, and I've also reiterated the fact that if Kojo Poku of the NPP is making a point that happened during the era which you were there, I have every right to cross-check with you.
I can say it.
So we can make progress from there.
Sure.
Strategic planning for
when we move on to
when we leave
Hopeson, you discuss this matter.
Were you close? Strategic meeting for NPP. Were you close?
Let's
you should stop this.
Let's move on.
Why you make me? Don't bring those things to me.
Yeah,
but hold on.
Don't bring it to me.
We should move on.
We are moving on, but when we are moving on.
Let's move on.
We are moving on, but hold on. We are moving on. Emefa, we are moving on.
I'll move on from both of you and come to Dol.
No. I've not spoken.
Actually, on the crude, right?
Yeah, on the crude.
Now I want to hear you on crude.
Now, Emefa. Okay, from Doc's listen, let me apologize to the viewers if my words were not listen. And the coconut is withdrawn.
Thank you, Director.
Is that not it? It's my brother.
Yes.
Yeah.
I know you are my brother, but go ahead.
We all know that.
I don't have a problem with it. Those things doesn't stick with me, so that's fine. Go ahead.
However, you see, someone will ask whether it was a deliberate attempt for the previous government to just kill TOR so that they will have the opportunity to sell it to chronics or so. Someone may ask that. And for me, I can say a big yes, because when NPP took over, TOR was doing well. Even when they said the previous administration did not handle TOR well, when NPP took over, TOR was running. There were crude available for TOR to run. All the MDs, apart from Isaac Kosei, I visited him once or twice. We did not have that lengthy chat. The Beko and the rest, I was there. Most of the workers, if they are watching, they know that I was a friend to TOR. However, the corruption, we are not talking about that. Look, how can we as a nation, an institution like TOR, that if we want to measure our fuel, someone will go and stand there and dig a stick or a meter and then take a measurement from the meter. I mean, how? It was so bad. And someone can just go, the officer or the shadow officer in charge can decide the amount of the fuel that we have. Are you getting it? If it is, let's say, 10,000, and it comes to say it's 9,200, that is the final one. You're right. But MFA, as we speak, the maintenance that has gone on, nobody will go and stand there and then dip meter in there. There is a system that can check without a personal, a physical person standing there to check. So at every point in time, you can know that this is the amount. Number one, we are capping corruption from that side. Are you getting it? So that nobody can go and say that, oh, it's 9,000 instead of maybe 10,000. Are you getting my point? So that one is there. And number two, the reason why TOR made this profit, I can say on authority that it is out of the prudent management of the economy. When you look at the detail of it, it's because of the forex, the stability of the city. Are you getting it? Now, the moment city drops, then the debt automatically shoots up. Are you getting it? But when it appreciates, then it comes down. Now, we are saying that our debt, 760 billion Ghana cedi that was left behind by the previous administration has come down to about 500 and something or so. Are you getting it? all because they paid some. But majority of that is out of the appreciation of the city. So it dropped from that point to where we are now. So that one too, we'll give it to them. It's a good thing that they do. And you see, it was 7.1 billion, as Honorable said. And because of the forest, the prudent management of the forest, it came to 5 billion. Now, out of this 5 billion, TOR was smart to negotiate with the banks on a particular point of the forest, at the exchange rate, that, oh, maybe we are going to agree on, it seems when it was 10 point something, they agree on 10 point, a little above that current listen, that over this period, we are going to make sure we see to it. And it gave them the opportunity to attract investors and all that. So what I would say is that we cannot say because there was backlog of audited account and all those kind of things, TOR's progress or profit is not out of importation of crude to refine or whatever. We don't go to Makola to buy crude. It's not like maize where I want to prepare a flour, I just go there and then buy maize and then, no, you need to import. Whoever is bringing it is importation. Are you getting it? Now, this propaganda was put out during NPP's period that we cannot refine our own crude. So we need to go and sell so that we buy finished product. It was someone's business. Someone's business. So what can you do about it? Now, at a point, you know TOR was on the list. Someone was going to buy for 20 billion. And within the shortest possible time, TOR has turned around and then paid more than the amount that they were selling it. So what is it? Is it not deliberate? You see, I've been saying that if you get the opportunity to rule this country, let us put in our head that I want to make a name rather than making wealth. To amass wealth from the state, I mean, what is it? I remember Otchere address on gathering. It was saying that if you loot the state and your bank account is full, it doesn't make you a wealthy person. Are you getting it? It is a state money. You stole it from the state. So that will not make you a wealthy person. Let us try and then leave a name. Look, the TOR MD is called Combat.
Yes.
I have not seen him before. I don't know whether maybe I've seen him, but I don't know that he is the Combat. Are you getting it? What he's doing now, I can tell you, he's going to leave a name. No, when you are mentioning people who have transformed TOR, of course, you cannot say it without mentioning, as he was saying, when he came, he did well. Are you getting it? After him, who else? Awadaku came and then we saw a little magic, but he was not able to match that of Azikosei. But this young man that has come, with this, the little one that he has done within this 1 year, I can tell you that he's going to beat Azikosei. If he continues this way. So let us come together, let us support them. For them to turn around and then make this. I mean, you see, the profit was 1.2, right?
1.24.
1.24.
Yes.
And it's because of the exchange rate.
So the exchange rate gave us 1.3.
1.3.
Yeah, so even if you deduct that 1.3 from a 7.5, a 7.1,
yeah,
you still get it a 5.8. So it means that per other sources, we've been able to reduce 800 million. Don't forget this maintenance, so the turnaround maintenance.
That's right.
Continuous, which is even audacious. What he has done there, people didn't even believe that it's 1963 machines that were kept there can still work. Yeah. But the guy did it.
But when it comes to full blow,
let Dog also talk.
Oh, Dog.
Yeah. Dog.
Dog is finalizing on talks. He's finalizing on talks.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.